Hi everyone, this is Alan Lepofsky from Constellation Research, and I'm coming to you from IBM Think 2018 in Las Vegas. Now there's two things I want to discuss with you quickly today. The first is an announcement that the IBM Notes and Domino product line is now going to have a native Notes client for the iPad. That is correct. You will be able to run Domino applications on an iPad sometime soon in the future. They demoed the prototype of it today, and existing applications, that NSF from existing applications, is able to run natively on an iPad. That's going to include things like replication, local replication, security, PKI, etc. So look for more news around that. The second thing that I worked on or learned about today is what they're doing with IBM Watson Workspace. That's their enterprise group messaging or persistent chat client. That's all the rage these days, is working in that unified communication style. Three big things about Watson Workspace. The first is how they're using Watson artificial intelligence to help reduce the signal-to-noise ratio in the stream. They do that via something called Moments. So when you come back and look at dozens or hundreds or thousands of posts in the stream, you push the Moments button, and what it does is it groups together all of the posts that are around a similar topic. So you're able to sort of reduce that noise and that clutter and see just the post that you want to pay attention to. The second thing they're doing is, again, using Watson artificial intelligence to analyze the text in those posts and find things that are action items. So say, for example, you say, I really need to locate an expert. Well, they're going to analyze that data, and they're actually going to be able to issue a command to connected systems, via integrations, and bring you back information. So they're going to look at the posts, and they're going to know which ones require actions and follow-up, and they're going to flag those posts for you. The third thing is the upcoming announcement about templates. So they're going to allow you to create spaces with dedicated templates. Things like for finance or insurance. They're doing things around supply chain management, around war rooms for product and sales teams. So those templates are going to become pre-configured with the integrations they need, etc. So take a look at that. And then finally, the big announcement they made last week at Enterprise Connect, but it's around Watson Workspaces, is integration with their partner Zoom. Now, if you're not familiar with Zoom, it's a unified communication company. They build audio and video technology. And in IBM Watson Workspaces, you're going to be able to launch web conferences directly from one of the spaces that you're in, one-to-one or multiple person audio and video calls. But it's not just about having integration inside those workspaces for audio and video. It's about the future. It's about how can Watson artificial intelligence bring additional functionality to those rooms. Imagine things like transcription for meetings, or if you're joining a meeting late, being able to catch up on what you've missed and see the information that's there. So look for IBM and Zoom to be working together to really enhance the future of meetings. So quick recap. Notes or Domino applications running natively on iPads coming soon, and lots of new features in IBM Watson Workspaces. This has been Alan Lepofsky. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to get in touch. I'm going to be at IBM Think for the next few days, and I'll try to get you answers. Take care. Bye.